Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Install holders. Connect body RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase bipolar RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase sextuple RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the big laser pass to the machine. Connect the small laser pass to the machine. Put all the accessories into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the machine. After all are connected properly, press the power switch to start the machine. The function selection interface will appear. Choose function based on your needs. Choose phase sextuple RF function. Set parameters. Time range is 5 to 60 minutes. (10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. NOR mode is recommended. Mode selection. NOR, fixed mode. The red light goes on as the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after stop button is pressed. Pro, smart mode. The red light goes on as the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after stop button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Pro mode is recommended for first-time users. Apply RF cream evening to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose body RF function. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. NOR mode is recommended. Mode selection is the same with the phase sextuple RF function. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose the 40K function. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Constant working mode is recommended. Mode selection. Constant working mode. Suitable for those who have thick fat accumulation. Discontinuous working mode. Suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. The latter is recommended for first-time users. Apply dedicated gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on the treatment receiver. People who have metal implants in their body should not take the treatment. This treatment should not be performed on heart and bones. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose vacuum and RF function. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. NOR mode for RF function is recommended. Suction time range is 0 to 2. Point 3 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time range is 0 to 2. Point 1 to 0.8 is recommended. Please note, suction time should be always longer than release time during treatment. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at the status of the constant suction. You can set suction time and release time manually and also choose the preset suction and release mode. Mode 1 is recommended. Mode selection. Mode 1, constant suction mode, suitable for those who want high-intensity cupping therapy for detoxification. Mode 2, low-frequency release, suitable for those who want massage for relaxation. Mode 3, discontinuous working mode with higher frequency than Mode 2 release, suitable for those who want low-intensity cupping therapy and massage for detoxification. Mode 4, discontinuous working mode with higher frequency than Mode 3 release, suitable for those who want lower intensity than Mode 3 cupping therapy and massage for detoxification. Mode 5, discontinuous working mode with the highest frequency release, suitable for those who need massage for detoxification and want to promote circulation. Mode selection. NOR, fixed mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after the start button is pressed. Pro, smart mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after the start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Pro mode is recommended for first-time users. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area and wait for the cream to liquefy before treatment. Otherwise, there will be blockage. Press button to begin the treatment. There is a knob for adjusting suction on the machine. You can use it based on individual endurance during the treatment. Turn it clockwise is to increase suction. Turn it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose big laser pad function. Set parameters. 20 to 30 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Mode selection. Mode 1, constant working mode, suitable for those who have severe fat accumulation. Mode 2, discontinuous working mode, suitable for those who want to shape body. Mode 2 is recommended for first-time users. Wrap the strap with proper length around the treatment area. Fix the bigger laser pad into the strap. Press button to begin the treatment. Please note, time can be prolonged if you use this laser pad alone. If you use it in conjunction with hand techniques or other handpiece operation, time should be set within reasonable range. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose the small laser pad function. Set parameters: 20 to 30 minutes is recommended. 2 to 4 energy level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Mode selection is the same with big laser pad function. Treatment techniques are the same with the big laser pads. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose phase bipolar RF function. Set parameters: 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 37 energy level is recommended. NOR mode is recommended. Mode selection is the same with fixed sextuple RF. Apply RF crane evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.